It seems every tax season brings with it some sort of change that impacts your filing, and this season is no different. TaxAct, a leading DIY tax software provider, is on a mission to help all filers navigate these changes and file their returns with confidence. TaxAct provides software that is known for helping you get your maximum refund. We caught up with TaxAct's VP of Tax Development, Mark Yeager, to talk through one of the more confusing changes you should know about this season.
One of the biggest and most confusing changes for this tax season surrounds the reporting threshold adjustments for Form 1099-K. Form 1099-K reports payments received through third-party payment providers. That includes platforms like Venmo and PayPal. Prior to 2022, filers would only get Form 1099-K if they received at least $20,000 in payments and had 200 transactions for the sale of goods and services. For 2022, however, those thresholds were reduced to just $600. But right before the holidays, the IRS delayed the implementation of the $600 threshold rule until 2023. Due to the last-minute nature of this change, some tax filers may still receive Form 1099-K and need to know how to accurately report it on their returns. Here are 3 quick tips. 1. Not all of that money is considered taxable income, but you will need to sort through it on your return and possibly provide proof. 2. You do not have to report money sent from a friend via Venmo to split the cost of dinner. This reporting change only applies to payments received for the sale of goods and services. 3. The IRS has always required taxable income to be reported, whether you previously reported Form 1099-K or not. Therefore, it's always best to accurately report your income and keep good records that substantiate that income. At TaxAct, we're ready to help all filers navigate this change and accurately report the information on their 1099-K. This is a tricky situation, but we've placed a lot of emphasis on designing our product to help streamline the filing process. Plus, TaxAct offers access to tax experts to ask unlimited questions through TaxAct Expert Assist. If you need help, we're here for you. Visit TaxAct.com to get started.
Thanks, Mark. You can get started by going to TaxAct.com to find the right TaxAct product for your tax situation.